Good evening, everyone. My name's Allison Jackson. Well, obviously I'm a member of the class, so that should be pretty straightforward. I'm from Medina, Ohio, which a little bit far away, but you know, same weather pattern as Rexburg, so it's nice. A little bit more humid though. Something interesting about me, which is a little hard to think of, not really. My favorite thing about me is that I'm a Slytherin, which most of my friends will call me evil, even though I'm not. I'm just very determined, but it has a lot of attributes that I actually really like about myself. And with this course about culture and identity and everything that we're learning, I'm really excited to apply it because I've had the opportunity to live in other countries and to travel around a lot. And I'm really looking forward to taking not only what I've already learned of cultures, but of applying what we're learning and how to pay more attention to the different cultures of the students in our future classrooms and just of the people we see around us every day because we're surrounded by different cultures. And I'm really excited to take what I've been learning and apply it in being more open-minded with the other cultures around us. I have 5 siblings, so there are 8 members of my family, which you can see down here in this picture where all of us are in white. And not featured on the page right now, I have the 2 cutest nieces in the world. They are absolutely darling, and I'm the luckiest aunt in the world. These are just some pictures to introduce me. I got to go teach in China for a little bit, and these are some of the students that I got to teach. I enjoy acting and was very, very happy to be a bridesmaid at my sister's wedding. And when I returned home from my mission, I was with my mom and my dad. This quote specifically that I have here is one of my favorites about me and about getting to know me. Just a diamond is a piece of charcoal that handled stress exceptionally well. And college is stressful, but as we all figure out how we're managing the stress and going through everything, we all will eventually become diamonds, which I think is amazing. One thing that I loved about the Gregoric learning style delineator, just the different ways of learning that we got to discuss and to think through was really, really cool. For me, I was a concrete random learner, which means I will challenge everything, which is probably not the best way of making friends, but it's the way that I found that I learn. So if I ever ask questions, I promise it's just because I'm trying to learn from you. It's not because I don't like something you said, I promise. But I loved how it identified concrete randomness learners as those who constantly bring their own ideas, those who are constantly challenging the current line of thought and pushing things forward in order to learn, which describes me in a nutshell. And I really, really liked learning about that, and I was surprised that I was not more of an abstract random learner. But I was very surprised for not testing higher in that one, but I'm excited to adjust the way that I'm learning so I'm more of a well-rounded learner, as I'm sure we all are. And yeah, that's pretty much a little 5-minute introduction into the brain of Allison, and I look forward to getting to know all of you this semester, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I look forward to class with you guys. Bye!